So now I'm going to create a website for animal shelter. But I'm gonna show you first the InnoPetCare site. So this is the InnoPet site. This is the About Us. Here at the landing page, when you scroll down, you will see 4 buttons. Button is for the guests, which allows them to explore the guest page. And for the next button is for the customer, which allows them to see a vet and shelter site created using InnoPetCare. 2 of them is for vet and shelter admin, which allows users to register and log in an account. So right now, I will go to proceed register. So now, I'm here at the registration page of the InnoPetCare for vet and shelter admin. First, you will need to choose what type of admin you are. So for example, I am a animal shelter admin. So next, I'll input my name, my email address, phone number, and password. In the email address, make sure you have an access the email you will put here because you will receive a verification link later. I need to confirm my password. Make sure your password is 8 characters. Include both letters and numbers. Next, for the next step for the registration page, you have to input your business information, including your name, legal name or company name, your business registration number, and also your billing address. Here at the last step of the registration, you have to input your documents, including your business permit and more. Here, you need to agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy. After submitting your registration, you will see you need to verify your email account. Like I said earlier, make sure your email account you put here in the registration is still accessible. So here's the link. So if I click it, it will automatically verify my email. So now my email address is verified. After clicking the proceed button, it shows that you have to wait for the approval of your account because the tech admin of the InnoPetCare will check if your documents is legit. Now my account is approved. You will see I have a created site, which is the one that I submitted earlier. And for example, I have another branch for animal shelter. I will simply click this button, the create new site. This is also the same that you submitted in the registration page, but this time, you will only use this if you want to add another site. I have already a animal shelter, so to edit that, I will simply double click or click this 3 dot button and you will see an edit button. Now, after clicking the 3 dots button, you will now edit your site. So the first thing is the global section. The global section includes the header, the logo of your business, and the address of your shelter. So I will choose color of my header, then color of the header text, and the item color for mobile app. Now here, it will ask you to copy and paste the Google Maps link where your shelter located. So here I already copy paste, then click extract, and it will automatically pin in your shelter location. Don't forget to click the save changes. For the home page, this is the landing page of your shelter. This is the first thing that your possible users or possible visitor of your shelter site will see. So save section. Next, for the about page section, you will also input a title and subtitle and the context. You can also input images like in the home page. This is about your shelter. It might include your shelter history and your shelter achievements. Next, for the appointment section, you can enable or disable this. You can also enable and disable the community forum here. So next is in the adoptex. This is where you can upload adoption form that an adopter can save it later. Next, for the donation page, you will input here. Here, it will allow you to create a adoption record table. On another column, you can simply click the add column. And if you're done, click the add section. Now, here at the donation page, this will allow you to input information about donation, like in the about page, in the adoption page. Now here at the donation site, if you click at donation site, this will allows you to input bank information where people can donate funds for your shelter. So for example, I will choose Gcash as a donation site, then I will input my account name and account number. You can add another donation site. For example, you have two bank accounts, or two e-wallets. You can add another one by clicking the add donation site. In the volunteer page, the home page, the about us page is also the same where you can type a title, subtext, and context, and also add some pictures and what type of design you want. For example, the carousel or the grid. Next, here at the contact us section, where you can add your contact information, like your email address, where users will contact you. Next, in the user feedback, this is you will input some questions here that your possible user will answer if they want to submit a feedback for your shelter. For example, you can also choose what type of user feedback you want. For example, I choose the rating. So for the rating, it will ask them to click the stars, if how many stars they want to rate your service, for example. You can also add some questions like this one. Then and the type is the text, where they can answer it by typing a text. Then click Save Changes. Next, for the send report, it is also the same in the user feedback, but this time we have a template questions where you can simply add it or apply the template. But if you have if another questions or you want to add other questions, you can also do that. Now, click the publish site. After clicking the publish site, you will directly see the list of uh, vet and shelter created in InnoPetCare. You can also type your shelter or vet here in the search button. You'll see all the information you added in the admin page. Now, for example, you forgot to add something. So you will simply go back to the admin site or the InnoPet CMS site. So here, I will simply click again the edit button and go back where I want to edit. For example, I forgot the logo picture. So I'll click the browse and go to and choose the photo I want. So now it's already applied and we'll click Save Changes. Now we will see you don't have a publish button here because your site is already published in the public. Just simply click the back button. Now here at the three dots buttons, where the edit button located, there is other four buttons here. The delete, where it will delete your site, the file manager, the dashboard, and the disable site. The disable site is to disable, of course, your created site, which is the animal shelter. Now I will first go to the dashboard. So here at the dashboard page, it includes the dashboard, connected care center, pet adoption, animal schedule, users, user feedback, and send report. Now, if you click this and you click My Accounts, it will allow you to edit your profile, including your profile picture, name, phone number, and email address. After clicking the Save Changes, you need to input your password to confirm it. Next, here at the bell button, which is the notification section, you will see all your notification here, including this one. In the notification, we have a button here for mark all as read, or select want to remove your notification, just simply click the X button. Here at when you click the profile icon, you can also access the help, the settings, the contact us, the privacy policy, and the terms and conditions.